Hello, friends! Today I will draw and color the cake.
Love is found in this cozy, happy town. Softest morning light appears, wiping sleepy little tears. Puppies stretching yawning ears, baby laughing.
I will draw the cherries now.
Warm pancakes on the plate. Starting great. Learning how to pour the syrup, I'll be waiting.
Let's draw the layers.
Making quite a little bloop. Love is in this sticky group. Late day, morning, sunny afternoons, bouncing to the simplest tunes. Puppies spinning like balloons. Love is here and love is blues. Little ones and furry.
I will color the cherries with red.
Happiest of all afternoons. Sharing toys and learning how to take turns and take a bow. I'll be stealing cookies now.
I will color the top of the cake with yellow.
Wow, building blocks up to the sky. Watching tiny dreams fly high. Nap time comes for everyone. Puppies sleeping in the sun. Baby's nap has just begun. Quiet moments, second to none. Play date, morning, sunny afternoons. Snacks and juice and matching spoons. Happy dreaming of the moon. Love is here and love is blooms. Sweetest memories.
Let's color the first layer with orange.
Happiest of all afternoons. Waking up with sleepy eyes. Afternoon is full of surprises. Uppy wax and recognizes. Baby's happy little cries. Snuggles on the cozy couch. Nothing here I'd ever vouch. Evening comes, new friends go. Waving from the door real slow.
I will use the blue color for the second layer.
Lovers in the afterglow. Quiet time begins to show your white favorite way to grow. Dinner time and sex.
I will color the last layer with green.
Day is done. Puppies dinner, babies run, chasing until day is gone. Bath and books and cozy PJs, kisses blown and gentle rays. Stars appear in twilight.
Good job, friends! You've learned the colors. Don't forget to subscribe for more.